Okay, see? See? No, just put a little on your spoon. Just a little. No, too much. Good job. Good.
I want to him.
Okay.
Mama. Up. Open. Open.
His mouth is open. He wants some food.
Open.
Just a little. Good job.
Yummy. Get a nummy, Mom.
Okay.
Like it? Baby, like it, Mommy.
Oh, good.
Oh, baby. Baby, that was the baby. Open.
B, what are you doing?
That was the baby.
No, he can't use a big spoon. He's just little.
Why?
He wants some more peas. Can you feed him some more?
Oh.
He's getting sad that he doesn't have any peas in his mouth.
Open.
Can you take a little more out of the jar? Just a little. Good job.
Pea? Yes. Yummy, baby? Hey. Oh, baby! Baby.
Are you being a good mama to baby?
Open. Pea?
Are there any peas on the spoon?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay.
Baby. Open, baby.
He needs to see the spoon come in.
Open.
Here it comes, baby. Don't put it in too far.